Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is the 30th of December, and this is a new release of the daily overview of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from TradeHub. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. I think we got waves 1 and 2 in upward direction, as part of the fifth wave of the older period. We have almost reached the level of 1.23. The price was at around 1.2293. But be careful, as the dollar is near a large correction up to 116. For the franc dollar, as we expected, we get a decline. For the formation of a downward impulse, all the minimum requirements have been met, but this does not prevent the fifth wave from the stretching and going even lower. We will carefully observe the structure of this movement. For the British pound, the price is growing rapidly. I think it is likely that we got such a triangle in wave 4. It does not violate any rules. Here we can see waves A, B, C, D, and E. In addition, it is comparable in size to wave 2 of this period. You can see it on the chart. The ending of wave 4 is here. All this indicates a possible further growth within the concluding fifth wave. There is nothing to add for the Canadian dollar yet. I think that these are waves 1 and 2 in downward direction, and I expect the decline to continue. Also, I indicate a possible alternative with waves 1 and 2 in upward direction that can be implemented. For the dollar yen, I think we will update the local minimum, thereby forming the whole ending diagonal. And after this, I expect to see a reversal. The Australian dollar is moving perfectly along our count. I think that the growth will continue. I think that for WTI crude oil we have probably waves 1 and 2 in upward direction. We have a flat in the second wave, and it is likely that wave 4 is not over yet here, and it will become more complicated to a triangle. The S&P index continues to grow steadily, and I believe that the third wave of this period is developing. We have here waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nothing has changed in the gold market since yesterday. We have 3 actual options for further movement. The first one, waves 1, 2, and 1, 2 in upward direction. The second one with a gray color, the leading diagonal, which remains to complete the fifth wave. And the last one tells us about that this upward movement was a correction, and we will see a renewal of this minimum. The critical level for these counts you can see on the chart. And the last of the day, Bitcoin. As we expected yesterday, we saw an increase. Although it could be only the first wave of this fifth wave in this impulse. But be careful, because price can drop down very quickly and we can see a sharp correction. Correction may be till 23,000-24,000 for one Bitcoin. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.